Today we're preparing a special sauce that is a staple in the Argentinian cuisine, a chimichurri sauce. Look at this, it's absolutely amazing. It is a super condiment for meats and especially steaks. I even put it in my soup and it's like the soup is on steroids. Or you can just have it as a dip for your tortilla chips. Today we're making a small batch just for my steak later on. Like, subscribe, and let's start. We start with a teaspoon of dried oregano, to which we will add a couple of tablespoons of hot water. This will open up the flavors and aromas of the oregano. Give it a little stir and leave that aside until we do the rest of the prep. We need 10-15 grams or about a handful of parsley. Some people prefer to use all stems, but I have removed at least the chunky ones. Chop the parsley very finely, but if you leave a few uncut leaves, it's not the end of the world. Now we need some garlic. I use 3 cloves, just because I love garlic, but you can use 1 or 2 instead. I chop the garlic in small pieces, then dust it with a little salt and make a garlic paste by crushing the garlic with the flat part of my knife and glide it gently to the edge. After you have subscribed to the channel, that's it, we're done with all the prep. Now let's go back and assemble our sauce. To the oregano, I add half a teaspoon of dried Chipotle chili flakes. I prefer them to the regular because they have that smoky flavor that I like. A tablespoon of smoked paprika, again because of the smoke. Now add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, some freshly ground black pepper. We add the garlic paste that we prepared earlier and add the finely chopped parsley. Just know this is the flat leaf parsley and not the curly one, but if you wanted to use the curly parsley, you can. Here I add 25 ml or just under 1 ounce of apple cider vinegar and 50 ml or just under 2 ounces of extra virgin olive oil, and my secret weapon, the zest of half a lemon. Give that a little stir and your amazing chimichurri sauce is done. Try and prepare this a few hours in advance, just so the flavors have some time to get to know each other better. The acidity is there to cut through the fat, the balance between the flavors is on the point, it's just delicious. Enjoy your chimichurri and I will see you next time.